friends, today I show you how can you install QGIS 3.16 in your PC. So this is a open source geographic information system, and this is a beautiful software which you can use any task. And here you can download it. First of all, you downloaded it. In here, this is Linux version, this is Windows version, and then you can download this 3.16 64-bit. If your computer is 64-bit, then you download it, and if your computer is 32-bit, then download this option. And this 3.10 is long-term release repository most stable. That means this two software are most stable version, but I want to download it updated QGIS software, so I downloaded it. I already downloaded it, and then I go to my download folder, and then I click it, click yes, click next, I agree, next, install. Wait couple of minutes for installing our software. So there are others many GIS and remote sensing software available in our field, like ArcGIS Pro, but they're very costly. QGIS is totally free, and it is very user friendly nowadays, and it's a bunch of many different tools which is very easy to use and work very effectively. So I think it's a clever choice to select QGIS for your career path. Our software installing is almost done, so I click finish. Then I go to QGIS desktop version. Let's start it. So here is our QGIS 3.16. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and for many upcoming videos.